Okay, 7, almost 8 weeks old. Getting about time to go home. These puppies is, some of them, a couple of them's 12, 13 pounds. Like that one right there. Old big boy right there. They just all out having a good time this morning. It's wet, dank morning. Is that dirt good? They are everywhere, into everything. I love them, but I'll be glad to see them get to their new homes. There's a little bit. Where you going, little one? What you got? So I got my treasure, I'm leaving. That's what I'm doing. Come on, guys. Come on, the bub. Come on, the bub. Away from that old burn pile. Come on. Come on, little britches. Come on, little britches. Come on. Come on. Said, nope, not going to do it. I'm busy. My goodness gracious. We're getting serious about this stuff. You're a big girl.